Let's look at a nearly perfect layout. Okay, so why do I say that this is a perfect layout, nearly a perfect layout? Because it just screams out architecture. It has the graphics, it has everything. It has one grabber image, the secondary really large image, and then all sorts of axonometrics. The thing is, the interesting part about this specific layout is that it gets you thinking architecturally. You see, you got these sections, and then you have the interpreted volumes. So basically, you've got a volume, you cut it with these sections, and then the pieces you put them together in a composition, and then you see the full volume here intact. That's the gist of this drawing. That's why it looks good, right? Two different types of sections, two different types of compositions, right? And graphics wise, black and white and with a color accent. Simplest approach in coloring, which always works, right? The irony is that if you go for more complex, you might ruin your drawing's architecture spirit, so to speak. Cool. So again, main images, axonometrics showing cuts, and then the cut volumes arranged in compositions 1 and 2. Cool. Hope you like this really short grid. See you in a bit. Take care. Draw nicely.